How to apply your employee discount code. First, log in into your Amazon A to Z app. Then, select Profile. If you are on mobile, hit the 3 lines at the top. Then, hit your name to open your profile. Under your picture, you will see your discount code along with your balance. Attention! You need to be a full-time employee, or in other words, a blue badge employee to use this code. If you're a seasonal employee, or white badge, you won't see anything in this section. Since this is probably your first time using your code, you will see a text saying your balance can't be displayed. Now, log in into your Amazon account. Select the product that you wish to purchase. Remember, in order to apply the code, the product needs to be both shipped and sold by Amazon. Potentially, you can apply the code in any product with the Amazon Prime checkmark. Once you select the product, add it to your cart and click Proceed to checkout. Under Payment Method, select Add a gift card or promotion code or voucher. Go back to your Amazon A to Z app and copy the code. Then, hit Apply. Under Order Summary, you will see the amount discounted. Finally, place your order. After you use the code once, it will be applied to any eligible items automatically. Once again, this code won't work with items shipped or sold by third-party companies. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for working at Amazon.